In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send certificates via Google Forms. This process is incredibly helpful for educators and anyone looking to automate the distribution of certificates. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Drive. This is where we'll begin to set up everything. Once you're there, look for the Apps section. This can typically be found in the upper right area where you have your various Google applications. Clicking on this will give you a list of all available apps in Google Workspace. Next up, click on the Forms icon. If you're not familiar, Google Forms is a powerful tool that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and in this case, a streamlined way to distribute certificates. Go ahead and select the form that you've prepared for your participants. This form can be about any subject, perhaps a quiz or evaluation that your students will take. Once you're in the form, the next step is to find the add-ons menu. Add-ons are external tools that enhance the functionality of Google Forms. For this task, we are going to utilize a specific add-on called Certifyem. If you haven't used Certifyem before, you'll need to install it from the add-ons store. Just search for Certifyem and follow the prompts to add it to your Google Forms account. Once installed, you'll see it in your add-ons menu. Click on Certifyem to open up its features. First, you'll want to make sure to turn on the Certifyem functionality for your form. This step integrates the certificate distribution process directly into your form. You'll then see some controls. Click on Show Controls to access more options specific to Certifyem. Now, it's time to get into the specifics of certificate settings. You'll need to set your average score threshold, which is the score participants need to achieve in order to receive a certificate. Next, choose a certificate template. Certifyem allows you to select from existing templates or upload your own design directly from your computer, giving you flexibility in how your certificates appear. Once Certifyem is all set up and ready to go, you can distribute the form, send the form link to your students or participants, and they'll receive it promptly. The beauty of this setup is it's automated. Once participants submit the form, if they meet or exceed the average score you've set, they'll receive a certificate automatically. And there you have it, the entire process of sending certificates via Google Forms is complete. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and automate the certification process, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.